Hello and welcome back to Future You, the podcast brought to you by graduate careers experts Prospects. I'm your host, Emily Slade, and in this episode I chat to the University of Liverpool about their International Business Law LLM.
Hi, I'm Aref Hussein. I'm Program Director Law at Kaplan Open Learning. I have several law degrees, study in the UK and abroad. One of them actually is LLM International Business Law. I also practiced law in 2 different jurisdictions before I started working in higher education more than a decade ago. I oversee the development, the delivery, and the quality assurance of the program in collaboration with Professor Padraig from the University of Liverpool.
Yeah, so I am Professor Padraig McAuliffe. I have worked in the University of Liverpool for the last 12 years. I teach on human rights and contract law, and I have been the Director of Education, the Director of Research, and the Associate Dean in the law school. And I'm very happy to take up my new post as Director of Studies Law, working with people involved in the Kaplan program.
Perfect. So are you able to tell us a little bit about the course?
Yes, of course. This is a very important question. So the LLM International Business Law is a University of Liverpool fully online part-time postgraduate program launched in January 2023. It is designed to provide a rigorous and intellectually stimulating exploration of the legal framework that underpins international business law transactions and corporate governance. It is delivered through a flexible online platform. It enables students to engage with advanced legal concepts while balancing professional and personal commitments. I just want to say, before I shed a light on the program structure, I would like to mention that we offer several degrees. So students can take or study the following degrees: postgraduate award, which equals 2 modules, postgraduate certificate, which equal 4 modules, postgraduate diplomas, which equals 8 modules, and the full International Business Law LLM. We believe the program structure that we offer is bespoke and ensures that all students, whether from a legal background or not, gain the maximum benefit from all taught modules. We also believe that our last module, research dissertation, allows students to explore topics relevant to them in depth, showcasing their knowledge and expertise. So the program usually starts with one module called Critical Legal Thinking in International Business Law. Then the following modules can be taken by students: International Business Law, International Trade Law, Conflict of Laws in Business and Commerce, Competition Law, and EU Trade Law. At this point, students can choose 2 elective modules so that they can tailor their learning experience to suit their aspiration in regards of knowledge and future employment opportunities. Students can choose 2 of the following optional modules: corporate governance, aspects of banking, intellectual property law, international sale of goods, and international financial crime. Students who are enrolled in this program, they are University of Liverpool students. The program is the University of Liverpool program.
Perfect, thank you. Amazing. So who would suit this course?
Again, a very, very good question. The IBL program, the International Business Law program, is an exciting opportunity to enhance students' CVs and experience in a new direction, or to extend their current experience in law by adding a business perspective. The program accepts students from a range of disciplinary backgrounds, and previous academic experience in law is not required, although there are law graduates on the program, and the syllabus is designed to ensure that they benefit from the business perspective that are critical to promotion. The program is also ideal if students work within a national or international corporate setting, or aim to work in one at a more senior level, as well as those involved in regulatory roles.
Perfect. So what are the career prospects following this course?
Okay, I'll handle that one. There are a number of career paths that students can go down. It's worth bearing in mind that this program is designed to enhance the existing knowledge base and understanding of candidates with undergraduate degrees from diverse legal backgrounds. But we are conscious of the fact that this degree can be a springboard into other types of careers. So legal advisor or legal counsel is a possibility. the provision of legal advice, for example, to corporations or bodies who work in international trade or contracts or compliance issues. There is much to be attractive, I think, in the degree for people interested in corporate law, particularly those who specialize in international business transactions or regulatory matters. Compliance is something that I think this degree can help with. People working to ensure that companies adhere to international laws and regulations. Anyone involved in international trade might find benefit from a degree like this. There's much in this program that can assist businesses in navigating import rights at law, for example, or trade agreements. And even outside of law, perhaps there could be roles in policy analysis, analyzing or advising on international business laws for companies, for governments, for NGOs, for think tanks, etc. So again, it's a degree, I think, that lends itself to a number of different career paths for those who are at the point in their careers where they want to specialize or branch out into something different.
Yeah, fantastic. What support is available for students?
So academic and non-academic support are fundamental pillars of the program. We have designed a comprehensive framework to ensure that our students feel guided and empowered throughout their studies. Before students begin their first module, they are enrolled in an induction module. This serves as a gentle introduction to online learning environment and offers a purview of what a typical module looks like. It also provides essential guidance on academic writing, referencing, research skills, and time management. These skills, we believe, are crucial for success at a postgraduate level. Each module is led by an experienced lecturer who is accessible via email and virtual meetings. Every lecturer set aside 2 hours per week as office hours during which students can book one-to-one to discuss module content, assessments, or any other academic concern. But not only that, each module includes 2 live seminars. These live seminars are interactive and provide opportunity not only to explore seminar questions, but also to clarify topics covered so far and prepare for upcoming assessments. Importantly, students are given full visibility of their assessments briefs and deadline from day 1 of each module, allowing for effective planning and time management. As a program director, I also host 2 weekly drop-in sessions for students who wish to speak to me directly. Always happy to arrange additional meetings outside these times if needed. We also have a dedicated study skills team who offers tailored support in academic writing and referencing. They are available throughout the academic year and play a vital role in helping students refine their scholarly skills. Lastly, our student support team is an invaluable resource. They are the first point of contact for any non-academic issues, whether students need a study break, or is facing extenuating circumstances, or is unable to submit an assignment on time. They offer guidance on university policies and procedures and will meet with students to help them navigate any challenges they may encounter. In short, we've built a robust support system that reflects our commitment to student success, both academically and personally.
Excellent. Quite a big question now. What are the learning, teaching, and assessment methods?
Thank you. This is probably one of the most important questions that we regularly are asked about. As a student in the program, you will engage with a variety of teaching and learning methods designed to support flexibility and academic rigor. Firstly, we have lecture casts. Each unit includes a pre-recorded lecture cast that combines video, text, and interactive exercises. These resources are fully accessible with caption and transcripts provided. Secondly, discussion forums and debates enable you to exchange ideas with peers and lecturer on the topics you are studying, fostering collaborative learning and critical engagement. Thirdly, reading lists. Each and every unit is supported by curated reading lists divided into required and additional reading. Direct links are provided to ensure easy access to those resources. The majority of textbooks are downloadable and we encourage students to do so. Fourthly, formative activities. Weekly formative activities such as open-ended questions, problem questions, case studies, and multiple choice quizzes are integral to consolidating students' understanding. Upon submission, students will receive automated feedback outlining correct answers and guidance for future improvement. Fifth, live seminars. Each module includes two synchronous seminars, typically scheduled in week 2 and 7. These 2-hour sessions allow you to engage directly with your lecturer and peers in real time. However, if you couldn't attend the live sessions, recordings will be available for those sessions. In regards of assessment methods, the program employs a range of coursework-based assessments, including discussion forum contributions, slide deck presentations, individual reflective essays, individual essays, and critical analysis of case studies. Importantly, it is very important to highlight that there are no examinations. All assessments are designed to evaluate your ability to apply legal principles in practical and analytical contexts.
Brilliant, thank you. And do you offer short courses?
Yes, we do. This is actually very exciting because it's only going to start in January 2026. On this date, critical legal analysis in international business law module will be available for students to enroll in a short course. This module provides students with the ability to engage in effective research, synthesize information, and communicate effectively, bringing to the center stage the strategic value of critical legal thinking in international business law. This module is your gateway to full master's degree, and upon successful completion of this module, you may be eligible to progress into our LLM International Business Law program.
Perfect. And what are the standout features of the course?
Well, I think before drilling into the course, it's just worth bearing in mind that Liverpool Law School that this program is working with is one of the UK's oldest and most successful law schools for legal education and research. We are ranks 51st to 75th globally for law in the Shanghai rankings. We're as a university, we're in the top 150 in the world. We're in the Good University Guide 2026 from the Sunday Times as top 20. We've got a TEF Gold for teaching as well in the teaching evaluation framework. So this program is embedded in a place with a commitment to excellent teaching and research as well. But there's a few outstanding features, I think. I spoke about the career paths that this program offers, but of course, one of the reasons why that is so feasible, I think, is that we have a number of tools to help students improve their career prospects and to engage in career development throughout their studies. There's guidance around career paths. There are tutorials exploring skills in demand by businesses today. There's access to careers coaches through a virtual career studio as well as CV support within the university overall. This is a university that puts its graduates first. I think we have digital tools and resources for employment. We've got a thing called Handshake, which is an industry-leading career networking platform. We have something called the Forage platform, which allows students to get real experience with virtual internships from people like Grant Thornton and other businesses. So we are acutely conscious of the need to have defined career opportunities and advice within our degrees, and that's something that I think is important to note as well. And then once the students are in here within the university and embedded in the broader law school community, there is a strong commitment, as Aref has suggested, to student support and to study skills. And we've study skills team that can be contacted at any point throughout studies with advisors in hand to help people develop skills that may need polishing or may need updating. We have commitments to collaborative working, to active learning, in the sense that we believe active learning is a key attribute to all University of Liverpool programs, and that is particularly so with anything related to the law school. And beyond that, I think it is fair to say that we have the university has innovative online degrees to provide flexible study options for individuals with busy lives. We understand the market for the students that we are dealing with. We understand their needs. So this program is embedded in a law school with great strengths and experiences in terms of education, which in turn is based within a university with a very long tradition. The University of Liverpool is a red brick university. It's one of the Russell Group. That's a hallmark of excellence, and that is something that feeds into everything we're associated with.
Yeah, brilliant. Was there anything else that either of you wanted to mention about the course that we haven't covered yet?
Yeah. I'm always on campus whenever we have a graduation and a law students is graduating. I'm actually going there in December. Students are because they are University of Liverpool students, they are eligible to go to campus. They can enter the library, and of course, they can attend the graduation. The graduation is held twice every year, once in July and once in December.
That's brilliant. Thank you. Thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you a lot.
Yeah, you're very welcome, Emily. Very nice talking to you.
Thanks again to Aref and Padraig for their time. For more information on the course, you can check out the show notes below. If you enjoyed the episode, do feel free to leave us a review on Apple or Spotify. Thank you, as always, for listening, and good luck on your journey to future you.